Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add my website to Feedly. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start keeping track of all of their blog titles in a really nice, neat format or organized format on Feedly. So either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually add your website to Feedly is that first you're going to get your website link. So we'll go ahead into one of the example websites here using Bleacher Report. And so if you copy the link from Bleacher Report, you're going to go back to Feedly, and then on the left hand side you're going to click on this RSS icon with the plus sign, and then copy and paste the link here, and then click enter, and then it should auto populate with right here Bleacher Report's link here. So click on build RSS feed, and then from here you're just going to get a good idea as far as making sure that it's understanding what the articles are about. So with Feedly, if everything looks good, you just need to highlight, I'd say, the title here, and then it understands which are the titles on this RSS feed. So click on save RSS feed, and then we'll click on save it to the Sportist. So you can name this feed such as Bleacher Report NBA, build RSS feed, and then give it about a couple minutes to actually go ahead and populate. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add my website to Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.